Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play COD Damned on piano. To begin, familiarize yourself with the song's core melody and its underlying chord progression. Understanding the overall structure, usually comprising an introduction, verses, a chorus, and an outro, will greatly assist your learning. Start by practicing the right and left hands independently, focusing on accuracy and rhythm before attempting to play them together. This foundational approach builds solid muscle memory. For the right hand, concentrate on accurately playing the main melody. This part usually sits in the middle to upper range of the keyboard. Pay careful attention to the rhythmic patterns, which are often in common 4/4 time, to ensure the melody sounds authentic. Practicing with a metronome is crucial. Try setting it to around 100 beats per minute to develop a consistent and steady tempo. Now, let's focus on the left hand, which provides the harmonic foundation. Learn the chord voicings, often simple root positions or inversions, that support the right hand melody. Establish a clear bass line, usually playing the root note of each chord. It's essential to coordinate the left hand's rhythm precisely with the right hand's melody to create a unified and rich sound, giving the piece its characteristic depth. When combining both hands, start with very short sections, perhaps 2 to 4 measures, at an extremely slow tempo. Gradually increase your speed only after achieving accuracy and comfort. Don't forget to add dynamics and expression. These elements truly bring the music to life. Remember, consistent daily practice, even for just 15 to 20 minutes, is far more effective than infrequent long sessions for making significant and lasting progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.